Just get these colors. So we're at 5 minutes and we're not halfway through the battery yet. Remember, we're you know, how much more flight time am I going to get? All right, dead random here, flying the Neo 2. I'm going to take it out really quick in normal mode. I want to do a normal mode flight just to get a flight time. One of the questions I think some of you guys are having is your flight times seem awfully short. If you fly in normal mode, is your flight time gonna be affected? Is it affected by the by being in a computerized mode, meaning that that DJI is controlling the mode? So right now I'm getting about 7 minutes of flight time in a controlled situation. So. And I know this battery is fresh, so I'm going to actually take off from right over here. We're going to take off right here, and then we're going to fly in this area over here, right? So let's get in the air. Right. Normal mode with the Neo 2. All right, normal mode. All right, we're just flying right out of here in normal mode. So just like a regular drone. We'll get down here and we'll get some of this low kind of stuff here. Bring this, so we have obstacle avoidance right now, and that's what we're listening for. And we're gonna get down into the fall foliage here. We won't get too close because there's a lot of sticks out there. And I'm just curious the flight time I'm going to get in the fall colors. So we're flying just like a regular drone. Just getting this beautiful creek. Keep my head up. That really helped. I'm trying not to get too much interference here. I'm getting a little bit. I think this metal building is not helping too much. All right. No, since we're doing a flight time thing, I'm just making sure we're recording here. We're just hanging there. All right, taking the camera up here a little bit, getting out where I'm not going to get interference. I've got a little bit of a 150. I've got a little bit of blurriness there in the goggles. There we go. Let's leave it right there. But keep my head up so we're just going to go through the fall colors into the other side here. I think it's prettier over here than on this side, because there were some people taking some pictures down here. All right, so we can come up a little bit. I don't know if that's helping our antennas, but we're losing. Oh, we gained it back. So we had, there's a little bit of interference. Maybe it's a house. So that's pretty good. Yeah, because I've never had this that low, that much of an issue. Let's get down along. Let's go along the field there. Oh, there's a horse out there. We don't wanna mess with that horse too much. And we want to get back into the field of view here. There we go. Yeah, a little bit of interference going on. But let's get down, let's get back down in here. That's why we came. There we go. Just get this little run down here. Yeah, it's just we're just so low. We're just going through a lot of trees. So I would say it's mostly the foliage that I'm flying in. Get both directions. If we drop it, we're going into the pond, but we can definitely pick it out of there. Just get these colors. So we're at 5 minutes and we're not halfway through the battery yet. Remember, we're you know, how much more flight time am I going to get? You know, there, it's telling us, hey, you got some trees there. Getting down, we're definitely testing the waters, aren't we? It's really interesting transitioning from FPV to just basic flying. There's a huge difference, that's for sure. Okay, so we're still 50 minutes in, and we're at 6 minutes. We're at 6 minutes. So let's do one of these shots here. Let's see if we can get some downward shot there. That'll give you an idea of kind of what it's like here. There's the water. That'll look cool on a video. Let's go to that little faster area over there. So we're at 7 minutes of flying time. And let's just put it right there. So say we were recording a like a waterfall. See, it's pushing away. Saying, hey, you need to get higher altitude. So that's kind of cool there. Just kind of practice, get that little water shot there, and then maybe raise the gimbal up. See, this is the thing you can't do with a regular FPV. You can't do this gimbal. You can't play with the gimbal because there really isn't a gimbal. Now you can do it with the Avata. Now the Avata 2 and the Avata 1, you've got the gimbal control. Once again, some water. Let's see. Let's get down there. Let's get in there. Not too low. Not too low. We don't want to land. I just want to get an idea of what the camera is doing. Now, I do not believe with the front-facing LiDAR it's going to do a fancy return. So let's go straight down, and let's go up like that, and then we'll turn. We'll spin. It's different when you're not in FPV mode. There's our location right there. So that's really pretty. This is like the ultimate in lighting. When you're flying, let's see, press the start stop, auto return in 7 seconds. So let's see what it does when it auto returns. There's a truck going by me here. So we're in auto return. It's saying the home point is right in front of the building. Looks pretty safe where it's wanting to land. And it's not going to hit the building. Let's put the camera up. Let's send it to me. And we will get our hand out. Oh, there it is once again. Right, we did the catch. I get totally disoriented, but so let's look really quick at my flight time. Flight time is 10 minutes and 24 seconds from takeoff to landing, and the other one was 8 minutes and 2 seconds. So there's about a 2-minute difference between the two flights. So with the controller, you basically have a 10-minute bird, which is, I don't know, most of us, we could probably charge these batteries up quicker than other batteries. So anyway, that's pretty interesting. It'd be interesting to see the video as well, because I have not really looked in depth at the video quality. So like I said, I was talking about the environment. It is a filtered day. We've got really good lighting, and it's filtered, and that's like the perfect for drones. Without a filter on. So it basically acts like its own UV filter. It kind of acts like. So, all right, that's interesting. So about a 2-minute difference in flight time between the FPV and non-FPV modes. So that's I think that's good. I think that's information you wanted to know. And then we also got some really good video samples, that's for sure. I'm really excited to look for that. So hopefully that'll be in my introduction. All right. I think I'm going to throw these both together into one video: fall colors and FPV, and a little mixture of FPV and still, so we can really get the power of this drone, the power of it, the real beauty of what this thing does. So. All right, Dad Random, Neo 2. To me, this is the drone to get right now. DJI threw a whole bunch of stuff out there. They totally just flooded the market with stuff. They got everybody basically going, I don't know what the best drone is. But for use, this thing has got so many use cases. It's just, it's pretty amazing what you can get out of this thing. It's there's just too much stuff to for any one person. You know, any one use. It's good for a lot of different use cases. So, all right. Hopefully, I can straighten that what I just said out there in my edits. But yeah, it's got something. This the Neo 2 has something for everybody, and that's what makes it such a great drone, and what you would want to get. That's for sure. It's definitely got something for every single flyer. All right. For Dad Random, the Neo 2 is new crush, finding new ways to love it, and it's pretty easy. It's actually pretty easy to find different things to love about that drone, that's for sure. All right. So, all right, Dad Random. And I hope you enjoyed that. If you have not, please subscribe. This video is there for you. If you do not own it yet, hopefully this is going to help you make that decision. And that's really, I think, the best service I do is I give you ideas about what this might do for you. And then, because I'm a pretty average pilot, I do a little bit of everything. I do a little vlogging and, you know, nothing, I'm not like an expert at any of it. You know, I'm just, you know, pretty, I would say I'm adequate. There you go. Mr. Adequate. That's the best place I could put myself. But yeah, all right. So I did clean my lens off. No filter today, no filter. All right, Dad Random for the Neo 2. Like I said, should be the most sought after. Guys, you can't break this thing. It is hard plastic. It's prop protected. There's all those things that make it really good. All right, think about it later. Bye.